Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and deeply disturbing: cannibalism. It's a taboo subject that's been a part of human culture for millennia, cropping up in myths, history, and even survival stories. Let's explore what cannibalism is and delve into some of the possible reasons why it's occurred throughout history and why it's emerged. So what is cannibalism? Simply put, it's the act of humans consuming the flesh of other humans. That definition is simple, but the reasons behind it are incredibly complex. It's crucial to understand that cannibalism isn't a monolithic thing. There are different types of cannibalism. Anthropologists generally categorize it as survival cannibalism, which happens when people are desperate and starving, and it's the only way to stay alive. Think Donner Party situations. Ritual cannibalism is where human flesh is consumed as part of religious or cultural ceremonies, often with the belief that this will transfer the strength or spirit of the deceased to the consumer. Endocannibalism and exocannibalism refer to cannibalism within one's own group versus outside. And then there is nutritional cannibalism, which refers to consumption purely for nutrition. We have early evidence of hominids consuming each other based on tools and butchery marks on the bones of Homo ancestor, an archaic human species, which suggests that they practiced cannibalism 800,000 years ago. More recently, we have Neanderthals, with evidence of cannibalism at several sites. Neanderthals and Homo ancestor would likely have engaged in cannibalism for nutrition. Survival cannibalism is not unique to humans and is present throughout the animal kingdom. But what about ritual cannibalism? Ritual cannibalism is also believed to be an ancient practice, and its exact origins are difficult to pinpoint. We see evidence of it in various cultures throughout history, often linked to beliefs about transferring power or honoring the dead. Groups around the world, including tribes in South America, Australia, and Papua New Guinea, have practiced cannibalism as part of their cultural traditions. What motivates people to engage in such an extreme act? As we said, desperation is a big one. Famine is a recurring theme. When people are starving, they often turn to cannibalism as a last resort, as was seen in the Jamestown colony and the Donner Group. In some cultures, the consumption of human flesh was believed to provide certain benefits, such as increased strength, spiritual connection, or protection from harm. While cannibalism is largely taboo and illegal in most parts of the world today, it is not entirely absent. Unfortunately, cases of survival cannibalism still occur in situations of extreme hunger or violence. And very rare cases of ritualistic or psychologically motivated cannibalism continue to emerge. Cannibalism is disturbing. It forces us to confront the extremes of human behavior and the many factors that can lead individuals and cultures to commit such acts. While it may be easy to dismiss cannibalism as simply barbaric, understanding its roots, motivations, and context is important for coming to terms with the darker aspects of our history.